Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start in Google Forms, open the form that needs the image. Once the form loads, go straight to the question or header that currently shows the photo placeholder or image. Click the image thumbnail or the small image icon to open the image chooser. You'll see options like Upload, Camera, Google Drive, Photos, and by URL. Choose Upload if you have the file locally. Choose Drive or Photos if it's stored in the cloud. Make sure the image matches orientation before proceeding. Now select the method to add the image. Pick Upload for local files, Drive for cloud files, or by URL for external images. Once you pick a file, use the preview controls to crop, rotate, or zoom so the subject is centered. This matters for visibility on small screens. Click Insert or select to place the image in the question or header. If replacing a header image, check how it displays in Form Theme Preview, because header aspect ratios affect top spacing. Finish by verifying the image placement and saving the form. You can preview the form to confirm appearance on desktop and mobile. Make sure the image isn't cut off. If layout options exist, adjust question text to balance spacing. One key troubleshooting tip: if upload fails, clear your browser cache, confirm the file type is supported, JPEG, PNG, and that size is under limits, or upload the image to Google Drive and insert from there. Then recheck permissions so viewers can see it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.